from Mojo Wings. Today I will explain you all the activities that are present in C-Level Students Kit. Let's start. Let's start with our first kit, My Literacy Kit Hindi. For this kit we have 3 books, My Handwriting Book Hindi, My Rhymes and Stories book, My Literacy book. Along with these books, we have an activity of Matra. We have stickers. Along with the stickers, we have the flashcards, and the students can paste the Matra on the flashcards. This activity will help the students in learning about Matra in a very creative and fun manner. Let's start with our next kit, that is My Literacy Kit English. In this kit, we have 4 books, My Rhymes and Stories book, My Handwriting book, My Phonics book, and My Literacy book. Along with these books, we have few activities. Number 1 is this action words board. Along with this, we have Velcro cards, as you can see. Now the students have to label it. For example, this is writing. This is singing, etc. Now this activity will help the students in developing creative skills and fine motor and gross motor skills. The next activity is blend words. Along with this board, we have the stickers, and the students have to paste using the blend words. For example, SCR, the students will search the SCR word and then paste the sticker alongside SCR, for example, screen, screw, scrub, etc. Now, this activity will help the students in knowing about 3-letter consonant blends. Let's move to our next activity, one and many. Now the students are given the one object and the student have to paste the many objects. For example, one apple. Now the students will search where are many apples, and then he or she will paste the sticker alongside many apples. Like this, we have 8 objects. Let's move to our next activity, use of a and an. Now, through this activity, the students will come to know about usage of a and an. For example, a book, a duck, an orange, an X, etc. Let's move to our next activity. You will get a board along with the Velcro stickers, and then the student have to make 3-letter word, for example, hen, and along with it, the student will make a question, what are those? And then he or she will make a sentence, those are hens. Likewise, he or she can make 4-letter words, questions, and sentences as well. You will get many Velcro stickers, so the students can make as many sentences, as many questions, and as many words they want. Let's move to our next activity, opposite words. You will get a board that is printed both the sides. Alongside it, you have Velcro stickers, and the students have to paste opposite pictures. For example, fast, slow, open, close. Likewise, the student can complete the whole board, and the student can learn opposite words in a playful and creative manner. Let's start with our first activity. This is a band of the days of the week, and the student will just pull out this string to the day that is on that particular date. Now, for example, today is Friday, so the students will arrange this string to Friday. Like this, they will learn the days of the week and also they will come to know about which day it is. Let's move to our next activity, that is leaf pasting activity. In this activity, the students will search for different kinds of leaves and they can paste it over here, and then they can learn about different types of leaves. Let's move to our next activity, that is traffic light sticker pasting activity. Now the students will paste the color according to the instructions over here. For example, stop represents which color? Red color. Wait, yellow. Go, green. Now the students can paste the stickers and they will come to know about traffic lights in a playful and fun manner. Let's move to our next activity. This is the neighborhood activity board along with the Velcro stickers. Now the students will paste the neighborhood members, for example, postman, barber. This is the person who we meet in the garage. Next, you can say baker. Like this, you have many Velcros and the students can easily paste and learn about the neighborhood and the people in our neighborhood. Let's move to our next activity. These are identification flashcards. Now, the students can look at these and they can learn about three types of families: small family, joint family, and big family. Now, through this activity, the students can firstly recognize about their own family, and then they can learn about different kinds of families that exist. Let's move to our next activity, life cycle of a plant. In this activity, the students will learn about the process of how the plant grows. For example, seed, sprout, seedling, and then plant. Now, the students can paste the stickers alongside it, like 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's move to our next kit, My Numeracy Kit. For this kit, we have one book and two very interesting activities. Number one is this all about numbers. So, for example, the students will paste 99, the number alongside its number name 99, alongside ones tens what it makes, then 99 in the middle, and then 98 comes before and 100 comes after. Like this, the students can complete the table and then they will have many Velcro stickers and they can make as many numbers as they want. Let's move to our next activity, that is do the math. Through this activity, the students will learn about the greater than, less than, addition and subtraction. So, you are having these Velcro stickers, as you can see, along with these so many stickers, and then the students can learn all the concepts through one board only. This is a very creative and interesting way to indulge the students into learning. Let's move to our next activity, that is the clock activity. So, through this board of clock, the students will learn how to see the time. For example, this is 2 o'clock and then they will paste this Velcro over here. We have many Velcros. So, the students can learn the time in a very fun way and they will come to know which o'clock it is. Let's move to our next kit, that is art and craft kit. We have a fun project. Along with it, we have many materials that can be used to complete this landscape. This is a very creative and fun activity, so students can discover their artist through this activity. Let's move to a very interesting thing about this kit. We have I Am Amazing. This book will develop socio-emotional and logical skills in the students. And next, we have worksheets. This booklet contains all the subjects that are included in the kit. Next, we have a certificate that the teacher can provide to students when they have completed this whole kit. Along with our Mojo kit, we also do have Little Hands at Work, and you have this instruction manual. Through this, you can do the experiments and feel like little scientists. I hope you enjoyed all the activities that are present in our Mojo Kits. Happy learning!